Oh my god.
Give me some.
Yeah! First 45 minutes.
Dude, it's like clockwork.
They're probably working kind of towards us, but below us.
Bird down, brother.
That's awesome footage of them coming through the bottom like that too.
Need a bucket to feed chaff. Yeah, I got 2 heifers. I got 3 heifers to feed young stock. No bucket to put the milk in. How are you supposed to feed them no milk? Does it?
I'll be right back.
Dude, nice hat. Where'd you get that? I lost mine.
Yep. Got from Colt.
Give you a tutorial today on how to feed milk replacer to Holstein calf. First, you need a thermometer. Here's we don't have one. So we're just gonna guess. Ma's not gonna like that. Ma, cut this part in the video. This one's for calf axle. Yep, artificial tip. We'll get back to those. Need a bottle off. Bottles for water. Well, that don't help.
Hurry up, the birds are flying up.
I know. We're literally gonna feed these and then run.
Where are we supposed to feed them?
Walk your way good. That's all you gotta do. It ain't hard.
Well, boys, let's go find some birds. That ain't hard.
We can see where my blind's at today.
I did drive by there. I looked for it for a second. Deer.
I better get my hands on
A recording device.
a recording device here.
Nash, how are you, brother?
Do you do the brother thing?
No.
What's the kill one tomorrow? You gotta say that. Bird down, brother.
Was that a gobbler here? Mack! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Bird!
Bird.
Everybody. Oh my god.
That would go up.
Count. Oh.
You look, I don't have my glasses.
One just fired. Did you hear that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times.
It's blurry. I got it.
6, 7, 8.
No, this. Move this.
8 times.
These and then move this.
See him to the left there too.
Yeah.
Getting better.
They're all strutted up.
Can't tell. Yeah.
That's not some ground we can hunt, but that's a good sign.
Yeah.
Hear that? I don't want to go.
Well, it's finally here. It's the youth season here in Wisconsin. Royce, Cole's little brother, came down and joined up. It's about 5:05. We're a little late. We got some birds roosted in both spots that we're going this morning, so cross our fingers and hopefully the young whippersnappers don't miss. Should be a good morning. I'm a little late. That's because I had to doctor up that GoPro. We lost this girl. We lose everything all the time.
Yeah, I lose the chargers for my RC cars all the time.
Yeah. Sun's already coming up. We're late.
Good morning. Got some pretty good weather coming out here this morning. Out here around 5 o'clock.
Dropping snacks.
Literally.
You got a bird roosted.
Yep, you do. Brett's picking up Nash. They're going probably across from the farm. Hopefully they'll get something there. We'll get something by us.
There you went again. Pretty much as far as you can see. There's like 3 of them. Oh my gosh. How many do you think there are?
6 times, man.
Oh yeah. You got him, hang on. Pump again, pump again. Turn him again, turn him again. Yeah? Over there, over there. Push. Right to there. See him?
Yeah, I can't.
No, shoot him again. Okay, let's go. Let's get up there. Let's make sure he's dead.
I got one more.
You got one more shot.
Yeah. Oh. Ooh. I don't know if it was a very good shot. It's like I got.
You did good though. You stayed calm and you just. That was crazy. I've never seen anything like that.
I'm shaking. I'm shaking.
Hey,
Bird down, brother.
give me some.
Yeah. First 45 minutes.
Dude, it's like clockwork. We're just efficient at it. So he came in. He was. They were both standing there. They were probably.
Yeah, I was worried I was gonna shoot both of them, but then this one strutted out past a tree.
Yeah.
I shot him. I think I did get him low though, cause trotted over here and walked in circles.
And they're still gobbling it.
Yeah, I didn't get his fan. That's good.
They were pretty close. They were like what? What would you say?
22 yards, maybe 20 yards around there.
Dude, that's a beautiful bird. What are we gonna do, Roy?
Go eat some breakfast, chillax, have some good times together, and hopefully Brett and Nash get one pretty soon here.
These birds seem like they've worked across the road behind us and out in this field. So I'm gonna try to crawl out in the field here and see where these birds are at. There's a lot of hens in here. See those? We gotta go really slow and we gotta stay low. Like you might have to get on your hands and knees with me. Yeah, they're right there. So they're behind those trees. Oh, hey, go into this tree right here.
What we're looking for.
Oh, that's gonna smell, by the way. Leave that window down.
Mid-morning, we're just driving around looking for, seeing if we can find some. We got three turkeys that just walked into land that we can hunt, so we're probably gonna let them settle. They just walked in the woods, so we'll probably loop around and then come in on them from some direction and see if we can call one up the ridge there.
Oh, you just walk the driveway down and you just sit on the corner there by those trees and watch the field.
Do I just text
you
if they come out, or what do I do?
Yeah. You got your phone on you?
Yeah.
We just saw these 3 toms out here and they walked right in the woods there. So we're gonna get up on this ridge and try and call at them. And hopefully they're in that bottom. We think they probably just went down in the bottom. That's where they usually go. We spooked them pretty good, so I don't think they stopped. Hopefully they're responsive. You gonna get it done in there or what? All right, let's go. They're probably working kind of towards us, but below us. I'm gonna kind of follow that line. We just gotta find a good tree that we can get on. I'll probably stay I'll get in that schmutzle right there. All right, we'll just walk around. Yeah, you guys find the tree up top. backside of the ridge where we think the birds are. So I'm gonna call from this side of the ridge, see if we can pull them up high enough that they can get a shot. They're gonna be directly above me. I think we got a good chance here. They should just be in that bottom down there. It's where we've seen them plenty of times before. Probably try and strike them up first with the box call. Yeah, let's not be dumb about this, Brett. We're on. Messed up enough to do already.
What's that? Maybe he's trying to find us. I don't know if those are the same birds even. Yep. They could be different birds. Oh yeah. Because they're pretty far away from where we saw them originally. You know what I mean? Right at us here. See him? See the cedar tree in front of you? Don't peek. Just wait. Bait it. Are you ready, Nash? He's coming right up here. Get ready to shoot. Two of them right there. It's a little far. I don't know if I can in this range. Feel comfortable, you can. Don't have them now. I don't want to because I think it's too far. Okay. Look good to go. Get ready. I'm gonna come right up here. You can shoot him right there. Okay. See him? That's a little too. You can shoot him right there. What? I can't. You can't? Yep. That's in range. I'm scared. Don't do it. You can't feel comfortable. You can shoot him right there if you want. I'm scared. I want to get closer. Okay. Can you call her? I don't think they're going to get closer. I think they're getting out of here. Can you call her? No. They can see us right now. You're going to have to shoot them soon. I'm scared. They're getting out of there. This one's in range right here. You're good, dude. Just breathe. Shoot him if you can. Hang on. You can still shoot him there. Don't shoot. If he gets around that rock, shoot him. There you go. Got him, dude. Got him. Let's go. Let's go get him. Go get on him. Go get on him.
Where'd he go?
He's right here. Oh my God, dude, you smoked him. Good job. Good job. That was a great shot.
Bird down, brother. Right as he got past the rocks where I could see him, I was just like straight shot him.
Oh my gosh. That sucks. I kind of wanted to hunt it yesterday.
What?
That's the U-Haul for you.